So bro, I'm Stan by the way. I'm from a prestigious university. Ikaw, saan college ka nag-graduate?
Visa experience ko bro, 5 years lang naging full stack na ako. Ikaw kaya?
Well, ako, I'm a top notcher previously in our university and I use GISA for the animation of our web design and also yung capstone project ko, I use Flutter for the mobile development of an NGO application.
Napaka-basic naman yan. Ako, kung alam mo, yung sa Facebook, alam mo ba yung Meta? Ako yung front-end.
Okay. I guess let's really put some heavyweights on your portfolio. I guess titignan na lang natin kung sinong makakapasok.
Let's see.
So, Mr. Pano, why choose the IT industry?
I choose IT because I have always been fascinated by technology and how it can solve complex problems. From a young age, I enjoyed exploring new gadgets and software. As I progress through my education, I realized that IT is a vast and dynamic field that offers numerous opportunities for growth and innovation.
Teka lang. Actually, ganito talaga nangyari eh.
Morning po. Nag-enroll po ako. Ano po kaya yung process ng enrollment?
First year. Di mo ba nakita yung pinost ng university? Yung tutorial? Filaban mo muna itong mga check. Then after that, bumalik ka sa akin. Pasa mo.
Ay, mali. Ay, iba na. Lo, GC ng ID to ah. Ay, yung nilagay ko dun eh.
Galing ah. Pero Mr. Pano, what skills can you contribute to this company?
I can contribute many benefits to your company as I have mastered front-end and back-end technologies. Hirap naman nito. Ano ba to?
Oh, grabe, ayos ah. Pero last question, Sir Pano. Anong mga memorable experiences mo nung college ka?
Ano ba paano? Di ba sabi mo tatlo yung ibigay pag isa lang?
Sabi ni Epla, isa lang eh.
Anong isa lang? Sabi ko sa'yo, tatlo, di ka kasi nakikinig eh.
Sige, alam mo kaso.
Okay, you may defend your thesis.
The depends.
Bali yun sir. Ayun po yung mga naging memorable experience ko.
Oo, dahil pa lang na experience. Bale, maraming salamat sa umaga ito na binigay mo sa amin, Mr. Panoy. Bale, kukontakin ka na lang namin if ever na matanggap mo itong trabaho ito.
Salamat po.
Next applicant is...
Good morning, sir.